Are you spending 10 grand or more a month on paid search, but all your agency gives you are reports full of clicks and impressions? If you can't trace those clicks to close deals, your strategy is fundamentally broken. Most Tampa businesses have been burned by Google Ads at least once. The problem isn't the platform, it's agencies that chase low cost per click and vanity metrics instead of revenue. At Percepture, our approach is different because our foundation is different. Our digital marketing architecture was pioneered by our founder, Bob Generale, using over 2 decades of enterprise SEO and generative engine optimization experience. We know that paid search doesn't exist in a vacuum, and with the rise of AI search engines, your paid ads must work in tandem with organic visibility and buyer behavior. If they don't work together, you're leaving money on the table. That's why a real Tampa PPC agency starts with your sales goals. We use our proprietary AI system, Keyword IQ, to build your campaigns around buyer intent, not just empty search volume. We align your landing pages, bulletproof your conversion infrastructure, and create a closed feedback loop with your sales team. We don't just buy traffic, we engineer a qualified lead system. Don't hand your ad budget over to junior account managers. Get senior operators who look at the full funnel and reach out to Percepture for a free PPC audit today. We'll show you exactly where your spend is being wasted and how we can fix it.